Slow electric car sales in the month of February. All the numbers are coming right now. Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. Welcome. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And I appreciate all of your support, all my patrons and shoppers on the Electric Israeli t-shirt and sweatshirt store. And like I like to do every month, I like to give the sales of the month before and compare it with the last month and last year at the same time and all kinds of comparisons. So here are the numbers so far. They're not final, but they are almost final. So far in the month of February, 16,132 EVs were sold. It's a little bit less than last year this month, February of 2018, which was 16,845, but not all the numbers are in. So I have a feeling it's going to get actually to 17,000. It's a little bit more. Last month was a tiny bit over 17,000, 1740. Now here are some numbers, and I usually like to start to focus on pure EVs, but I'm going to give you one plug-in hybrid, actually two. So Tesla Model 3s sold this month of February, 5,750 as opposed to 6,500 last month. There was a lot of shipment to Europe, and the Tesla Model 3 base came. So I think that March, April are going to be a completely different story for Tesla Model 3. Tesla Model S sold only 800, even less than last month, and Tesla Model X sold 1,100, excuse me, a little bit more than last month. Interestingly enough, Clarity, as in Honda Clarity, sold 1,213, and they are now the leaders of the plug-in hybrid. Volt is selling 500 a month, and they are going to by the way, they stopped making Chevy Volt. So as soon as they finish all the inventory, it's going to be no more new Volts. The Chevy Bolt EV, that's a pure electric car, 1,225, little more than last month. And interesting, the Nissan Leaf 654, that is peanuts. The reason is it's still the 2018 models. Those 2018 models. The 2019 are just start to come, and I'm very interested to see, very curious to see what will be with them. What will be, how will they sell now that they are more than 2 years late to join the 200 plus miles range of pure electric cars. I want to mention a car that used to sell so many, like 1,500 a month, and that is the BMW i3. Remember that little tiny car, like funny looking? They have the pure EV and they have the range extended. They sold 350. They basically don't sell anymore. Now the BMW group do sell a lot. The BMW group, it's all plug-in hybrids. They do sell the very short plug-in hybrid range, but they do sell. If I mention, the luxury ones, the Jaguar I-Pace, only 129, and the Mitsubishi Outlander 157. Those are all cars that really miss the boat. So what's carrying the plug-in hybrid pure electric critical mass is the Teslas, Honda, Toyota Prius Prime, and Chevys, and Chevy Bolt. And Nissan Leaf is not doing their fair share of the heavy lifting because the 200 plus miles car has not yet come out. So we'll see what happens. January, February are historically really low. This is how it is. Just to give you a comparison, so you'll know. Last year in March it was 26,000. Let me pick another month. Let's say August. August last year was 44 and change. December was 49, but that's when the Model 3s were delivering and selling like crazy. So really, it's all on Tesla's shoulders to do all these sales. Okay, that's the numbers for the February, March. If you have any questions specific, any number that I didn't mention, I'll be happy to share with you. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. See you tomorrow in another video.